Introducing the stunning 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC GLC220d 4MATIC in sleek grey. With only 51,000 kilometers on the clock, this beauty is practically new. Packed with luxurious comfort and accessories features like cruise control, heated seats, and multifunction steering wheel. Enjoy peace of mind with top-of-the-line security features, including 4-wheel drive and anti-collision system. Stand out on the road with 18-2 alloys and metallic paint. And rest easy knowing this vehicle has had a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer spec, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit fitzpatricksgar.